gonna have?
What kind of cake you gonna have? Banana. Banana cake?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Nana's Nana cake.
Is it gonna be good? Yeah.
Hey, Sylvie.
Nana cake.
What else do you have to say, Miss Sylvie, Mom? Nan? Mm-hmm. That's your foot.
There's a foot, yeah. Is your belly full?
2 big bowls of soup? Well, the second one's bigger than the first one. Yeah? Okay, turn around in your chair and you can have some cake in a minute. We're gonna wait till everybody
Banana? What are you doing? I don't have soup. I don't have bananas. Aww.
Did Auntie Holly pull a Sylvie? She's laughing.
Are you imitating me?
Yes.
Because my mouth was full?
There's a lot of imitating, isn't it funny?
She mimics Rob all the
Little
time.
actress, eh?
Did Auntie Holly make a mess?
Hey, Sylvie.
Can Sylvie... Chew!
Achoo!
Sneeze.
Achoo!
Achoo.
Achoo! What does that mean? Your foot?
The dots of the chair. How many are there? 1, 2, 3.
What
That's
does the
right.
bee say?
It was 3.
1,
2.